In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your web browser on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select apps. And then over here on the right side, you want to go down and locate where it says default apps, and then locate whatever web browser you want it set as default. If you don't have the browser installed, you're going to have to install it first and then come in here and then locate the browser from the list and select where it says set default up here at the top. Should be a little check mark to indicate that it was successful, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.